In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Wrike. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, so if you're new to Wrike or just need a quick refresher, you'll be able to follow along easily. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and your Google account details ready, since we'll be using Google to sign in. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any modern browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type Wrike login and press enter. This will take you to a Google search results page specifically for Wrike's login. On the search results page, look for the official Wrike login link. It usually appears near the top and will mention logging into Wrike or going to the Wrike workspace. Avoid any ads or unfamiliar links and click on the official login page. This will take you directly to the Wrike sign-in screen. Once you're on the Wrike login page, you'll see a few different options to sign in. For this walkthrough, we're going to use the Google option, which is a common sign-in method for many teams. Look for the button that says Google or Sign in with Google, and click on it. After you click the Google option, a new window or tab will open with Google's sign-in screen. Here, you may see a list of Google accounts you've used before, or you might be asked to enter your email address. Choose the Google account that is connected to your Wrike workspace. If you don't see it listed, type in the correct email address and click. Next, then enter your password if prompted. Follow the on-screen prompts from Google. This could include entering a verification code if you have two-step verification enabled, or confirming that you want to allow Wrike to use your Google account for login. Simply read each prompt carefully and click the appropriate buttons, such as Next, Allow, or Continue. Once you've completed the Google sign-in steps, you'll be redirected back to Wrike. If everything is set up correctly, you should now see your Wrike workspace or dashboard. From here, you're ready to start managing tasks, projects, and collaborating with your team. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Wrike using your Google account just by searching for the login page, opening it, choosing the Google option, and following the on-screen prompts.